Hey guys, Tabs here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited sharing another video with you, and in this video I want to show you exactly how you can migrate your existing website to Hostinger. Three reasons why you should consider doing that right now, because you'll be getting a massive 80% bonus on Hostinger. I'll also be showing you in this video how you can get a 10% discount code from me. The third reason why you should take this seriously is that I'm doing a massive giveaway. I'll be giving out a good number of businesses, maybe up to 10 of them. I really cannot tell right now. That I'll be giving out. You need to check the description below for these businesses. This website you're seeing on your screen right now, WP Pro Guide, is the website I'll be migrating in this tutorial. And as a matter of fact, this is one of the startup businesses that I sell, and I just did so this right now. Just to show you that I'm not kidding you even about the giveaway. So let's come to my email here. You would see, if I scroll down to the last transaction I just made, you can see this is it here. If you open it, you would see that I just sold this site for $9.99, and that's exactly what I'm giving away right now. I'll be giving businesses like this away, so check the description below for that. So the thing is, I will be giving it will be a total giveaway. I'll be giving both the website, the videos, because they are learning management systems, the videos in the website, and also the domain. I'll be giving them away. I'll be giving them away on first come first serve basis. The very simple, easy way for you to get one of this website will be for you to buy your hosting through my affiliate link. If you do buy Hostinger or buy your SiteTo hosting through my affiliate link in the description below, you just send me an email at me@dapstutorial.com. And let me know any of the websites you want. I would get back to you with access to them. I know that I can't give out websites that would cover for the database of people who will be seeing this video, but if you're seeing this video when maybe all the website has been taken, you can still send me an email. Let me know which of the businesses you have seen below you want. I would give you the website file. So you just need to have your own domain, and I will give you the files. I will show you exactly how to install that website on your domain. So that's exactly what's at stake right now. So you don't really have anything to lose. Buy through my affiliate link, enjoy 80%. I'll also give you a 10% discount code that you would see in this tutorial. I'll also be doing a giveaway worth almost about 10,000. In this video, I'll also be showing you how you can migrate your website to Hostinger the easy way, step by step. You will not need to download your files, database, and all of that. I'll show you how simple and easy it is for you to move your existing website to Hostinger. So you really have everything you need right now in your fingertips. I don't want to waste so much time talking about this, so let's get started into this tutorial. So if you click the Hostinger through my link, it will bring you to this website here, and you can see Black Friday you can get up to 80% off. So you can buy your hosting for as low as $2.499, and that's quite an amazing deal. You can also click the link here for you to see all the features, and quite an amazing feature. I really need to start. I really don't want to spend so much time convincing you why you should invest in Hostinger. You could come here and come and read. You can also up to 100 website. You have unmetered traffic and all of those things. So basically what we need to do is to click the add to cart button, and if you do that, it will bring you down here, and you will see that you're almost there. Your order is almost complete. You'd see that one thing Hostinger does is that Hostinger reward loyal customer, people who are about to invest long term on them, and you will see that if you are ready to invest for about 48 months, you'll be getting up to $2.49 per month. And you also realize that the amount you'll be renewing subsequently is always very expensive. So I advise people that if you're about to buy, try as much as possible to invest as long as possible as you can. If you come down here, you would see that you're about to pay about $120 dollars. So if I put my discount code here, TAPS, you will see that this will crash this down to about $107. Once this is done, the next thing for us to do here is to choose a payment method. I want to go with PayPal, and also put a valid email address here. So you want to make sure that you have a valid email address, and once that is done, you click the submit button. Once you do that, Hostinger would process your payment. And but while that is going on, the next thing for us to do is, if you have an existing website you want to migrate to Hostinga, is for you to come down to that website. So I'll be logging into the backend, which I just did right now. So at the back end of this WordPress website, what I want to do is to take a backup of this website. So I will come straight down to plugins. I'll come to add new. I'll search for a plugin called Vivid. Yeah, so after searching for that, that's the plugin here. So I will install and I will activate this plugin. And once I do that, I'll be brought to this place here where I can take a backup. So what I need to do here is to hit this backup button, and once I do that, my backup is running. In less than a minute, you can see that I have successfully taken a backup of this website. And if you come down here, you would see your backup. You would see an option here for you to download. So if you click the download, you see the files here to download. So you can easily come here and hit this download button, and you will see that the file will be downloading like this. I will be canceling this because I already have a backup. I don't want to waste time doing that in this tutorial. So to make this video short, I have the backup I'll be using already. So that's it for backing up your website. This is how super easy it is for you to back up your website. So before we go back to Hostinga to set up things in Hostinga, another thing you need to do to make this process a lot easier for you is to change the name servers of your domain. Your domain needs to propagate to the new server that I'll be using with Hostinga. In a new browser here, I have my domain registrar open, dynadot.com. So I will have to bring that here. I have to search for my domain, and this is the domain here. I'll come to the name servers. So this is the current name servers that I have on the website. It's pointed to iPage. So I'll be changing this to another name server. ns1.dns-packing.com. So the second one will also be ns2.dns-packing.com. So this is the default domain servers for Hostinga shared hosting. So you can just go to your domain registrar right now and change your name server to these name servers. I'll try to put these name servers in the description so you can check to have it and just copy and paste that into your domain registrar. So whichever domain registrar you are using, the process is the same. So you can just find name servers and update them. If you find it very difficult to find it, you can just reach out to your support. They should be able to help you update your name servers. What we can do before we continue is that we need to make sure that our domain is well propagated. So the easy way for you to get that is to use a tool I use called dnschecker.org. So if you come down here, you can put your domain here, WP Pro Guide. That will be for mine, and then you can come here and change it from A to NS, and once you do that, you hit search. So let's see. Oh, fantastic, you can see my domain is propagating. And well, let me scroll down. Oh, so you can see somewhere here in Mexico that the domain name is still trying to propagate, and in some other part of the world as well. So majorly we have our domain doing well in most parts of the world. Okay, so if that is done, if our domain is well propagated, then we can continue. So once you're done with your payment with Hostinga, as an app, it has been approved, you would definitely get here on your dashboard where you're supposed to set things up. So so for us to get started, we have to hit this button, start now. So you get to be asked this question: who are you creating this website for? So you can give Hostinga all those necessary details, but I wouldn't be, so I'll skip that. And then you will get to this point where you need to either create or migrate a website. Ideally, what you should do is to go the route of migrating your website, which makes sense really. But that is not what we'll be doing here, because that will require us to go download our database and our website files, which we have not. The only thing we have done with our website is to take a backup. The easy way to do this would be that you create a new website. And then what do you want to create? We want to create a WordPress account. So we are required to put in an admin email here and password, which is okay. So I will put in my details. So in this place, Hostinga is trying to offer you some templates that you can use to design your WordPress website, but this is not what we want to do. So I would rather skip this. and then this is where we need to name our website. So one thing, if you buy your hosting through Hostinger like I just did, you can claim a free domain valid for 1 year. This is a way Hostinger tries to lure you into hosting your domain with them, which I don't like. Sincerely, I don't like buying my domain from an hosting company, because an hosting company and a domain registrar are not the same thing. But most hosting company now tries to also sell domain, but it's always very expensive, so I really don't like to use this. So this is a very good bait. So if you are looking for a domain, you can claim that free one, and then maybe after 1 year, if you are not okay, you can then push that domain or migrate it to your preferred domain registrar. But it's a free domain for a year. You should try. So if you don't have a domain for your website, if you're trying to create something new, so that is a very good route for you. But since we have our domain we want to use, I want to migrate an existing website, so I will use an existing domain here, and I'll put my domain wpproguide.com, and then I'll click enter. So yeah, domain is active. This domain has been found, so I need to now change this domain to this NameServers, which we have already done, and it has already propagated, which is a good step we took ahead. So let's hit the continue button and let's continue since we have this. So this is done, it's finished. WordPress is ready, so we have server location, so let's finish this. So you can see that our website is preparing right now. SSL is being installed, and this may take a minute or two. And as we can see, our domain is being prepared, SSL is being installed, and all these things are going on. So let's just chill. Let's give this a minute for this to install WordPress and get our website ready. 100% adding finishing touches. Okay, so well done, you're ready. So as you can see, our website is ready. So we can either connect your domain, we can edit your website, you can go to control panel. We've already connected our domain. So what we need to do right now is for us to edit our website. So let's click the edit button. So oops, you can see that my website cannot be found, and you can see my old website is still loading here. That is to say that the domain has not propagated to my environment here, and that's always very common for someone like me who live in the sub-Saharan Africa. So it is what it is. So for the domain to propagate to this my environment, it takes time once a while. I can try to load the website, so you can see the old website is still loading here. So my website has not fully propagated. So what I can do right now for me to access the new website that we just installed is for me to use a VPN, and I can come here and click VPN and then activate my VPN. And once my VPN is activated, I can then try to load back the website, and you can see my website is up here now, and that's good enough. So I'm now here. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I can click this to go back to the back end of the website. So you can see we have a new website ready, and this is the WordPress dashboard. But you can see here that our website is not secured. I don't know why that is. Let me try to put the HTTPS protocol to see. But you can see it's saying that you don't have a secure connection. So let's go back to Hostinger. Let's go to control panel and let's see for ourselves. So at the far left corner here, let's come to advanced and let's come to SSL. Oh, you can see our SSL is active here. So I'm wondering why my server is not secured. Yeah, let me copy this website again and let me open it in a new tab entirely, and let me paste this here, and let's see. I think I want to push the HTTPS protocol directly myself for me to load this on a secured protocol, and let's see. Okay, bingo, I have now a padlock here that says that my website is secured. That's exactly what I want to see. So I have to close this one that is not secured, and then I have to come to my dashboard. Yeah, I'm back at the WordPress dashboard. Once we get here, what we want to do is to come to plugins, go to our installed plugins. We'll see a bunch of plugins that has been installed for us by Hostinger. This is BS to me, sincerely. So what I'll do is to highlight all the active plugins, and then I'll deactivate them. We don't want to use any of these plugins. We have our website we want to bring back here. So once I have this deactivated, I would click everything here. This would highlight every of the plugins here, and I can come down here, I can come to delete, and then I would delete all of the plugins. This will delete all the plugins one after the other. And once we have this plugin all deleted, the next thing for us to do is to come and add a new plugin, and then let's search for the same plugin we installed earlier on our old website, which is WP Vivid. So I'm going to search that plugin here. We have the plugin here right now. So what I'm going to do is to install this plugin and then activate this plugin. This time around, we're not taking a backup like we did earlier. Rather, we're going to scroll down here and we are going to come to this upload button. Click this, because what we want to do is to upload our backup. So what I will do is to select my files. So you can see I have those backup files here. So what I will do now is to hit the upload button and allow these files upload back to our new WordPress. This may take a minute or two depending on how heavy your website is and also your internet strength. So we give this time and we allow these files to upload. So WP Progress says upload done, and let's hit OK button. So we have our backup uploaded here. So what we can do now is to hit the restore button, and we'll have the option to hit this restore button, and yes, okay. Let's restore our website. So you would see that immediately I hit that, this would trigger a restoration process, and I will advise you to keep this window up and watch this while this restore back our old website. This will take a minute or two again, like I said earlier, depending on how heavy your files are or the strength of your internet. So let's give this a minute or two. Let's see our website restore. Our backup is complete. Automatically we get logged out, and we can see that our old website is being restored. So what I can do right now is to go to the home page. You can see we have our old website back installed into our new hosting. Thank you for watching my video. That's exactly how you can migrate your website from your existing hosting to Hostinger in a super easy way without wasting so much time. If this video has been useful, give me a thumbs up. So let me know in the comment if you have any issues. I'll be looking out for them. Please do not forget the deals I have in the description. Check them out, buy through my link, send me an email. I'll be hoping to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and that's everything I have for this video, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, please do have a nice time and make sure you subscribe to this family. See you then. Bye for now.